I'm gonna let stay fast. Yeah, 10-4, let him around. D20 and Deacon 10. Johnny, can you give me a return on that 28 I ran?
Big 20 Newport vehicles all over the road, going to try TVI.
See the press comments now.
County state and late vehicles and stuff.
He's got damage to the back end. He's losing it.
Second wheel on 71 coming back in the big D. Dennis said he's going to try to get back to that trailer park if he can get him fitted.
Press comments now.
TVI, he's in ditch.
Do what? Brother. Man, I thought you ground still so I can breathe. Man, I thought you grew out of all this crap. Well, why are you doing this crap, man? I remember you. I ain't gonna lie. What's up? Where's this stuff right now? Well, where's this getting you to? Felony charges, aggravated assault.
Aggravated assault for what?
Hitting the county unit.
I didn't hit nobody. I hit you?
Yeah. That's why you couldn't keep that car on the road, man.
When I hit you? At the damn stop sign. What stop sign? Yep.
Turn your noise makers off.
Thank you. I'm getting that fixed.
It took me a minute to figure it out.
Can you put him in yours?
Yeah, we can.
That's where I thought he was going.
Here. Hey, take him to the other side. Let me unlock it.
He put my pants on? I'm not going to run no more.
B20 Newport, I have a 1028.
Stolen out cabin PA.
You're gonna sit down.
That's what happened when you were in the
No heavy, honey.
Adam Union David Ida Boy, A-U-D-I-B. It's gonna be a black Dodge Challenger.
Are you gonna take him in?
Yeah, I will.
We've been setting up on him a couple hours, waiting on him to leave in that car.
No, he called me when they heard about it. I was actually around here.
I mean, we can transport him, that's no problem.
Yeah. Sweet. All right, let me kill my camera and restart it.
Good idea.